Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to discuss about different operations on sets and different examples on those operations. What are the different set operations? In Python we can perform different operations on the sets as same as like what we have done in our childhood. So for that purpose we have some default methods as well as the functions. In our childhood we have learned that such as Venn diagrams. So you might have learned about the Venn diagrams. What are those Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams. So if we have some x equal to 1, 2, 3, y equal to 4, 5, 6. So we have used this type of diagrams for finding out what are the common things in both the sets, what are the difference between both the sets, and what are the unique items in the set x and unique items in the set y, like these things. So the same thing which we are going to do with the help of the different methods as well as the functions. What are the different operations we can perform on set? One is we can check whether a set is a subset or not, and we can check whether a set is superset or not. We can union the two sets. We can perform the intersection of two sets. We can find out the difference of two sets. We can find out the intersection and updating the result to the sum set. We can find the symmetric difference of the sets, and at the last we can find the symmetric difference as well as the updation. Let us check it out each and everything with an example. First and foremost, is a set a subset or not? That can be done with the help of a method called isSubset method. This method is going to check whether a respective set is a subset of another set or not. For example, we have taken x and we have taken y. I want to check whether y is the subset of x. When we say that y is the subset of x, when y elements, all the elements are present in the x. That means all the elements of the y is present in the x, as well as x is having some other elements. Then we can call y as a subset of x. So it will check whether a set is a subset or not. If it is true, it is going to give the result as true. Otherwise, it returns the result as the false. Syntax: the set name dot is subset of another set name. So, for example, let us assume y and x. Then how can we write? Okay, let us take the example. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y equal to 1, 2, 3. So, I am taking that result equal to y dot subset of is subset of x. What does this mean? Here we are checking that y is subset of x. So if you check, 1 is available in the y and as well as x, 2 is available in the y as well as x, 3 is available in y as well as the x. Now what is the expected output for this one? It might be true, right? Sorry, I haven't printed. Yes, true, because all the y elements are present in the x as well as some other elements are also there in the x. Now let us check x is subset of y. X dot is subset of y. What does it mean? X is subset of y. Now 1, 2, 3 are available in the y also, same, but x is having the some other elements which are not in the y. So if you check that, we are going to get the result as the false, because x is not the subset of x. Sorry, y. So is subset returns true if set 1 is a subset of set 2. That is, if it is y, this is x, y should be the subset of X. This is the example 9482, 24, 912. A is subset of B. 9482, 24. That means A is all the elements of B are available in the A, but A is having the some elements 9 and 8. That's why it is going to give the result as the false. Now B is subset of A. 2, 4. All the elements are available in the A. So it gives it true. A is subset of C. 9, 9. 2, 2. But 4, 8 are missing in C. So it is also false. C is subset of B. 9, 2, fine. 12 is not available. That's why it is also false. Next, is superset. Is subset is a smaller thing. Here it is a contrast to the subset. What does this superset checks? Superset checks that whether any set is a superset of the respective set or not. Now, in this one, can we call X as a superset? Yes, because X is having all the elements of Y and also X consists of the other elements. Then this type of set is called as the superset. A superset means which consists of all the elements of the other set as well as it consists of the some other elements. So it will give the result as true if all the elements of some other set is present along with the other elements. Syntax is the set which we are going to check in the which set. I will write. Now X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write that Y is superset of X, can we call Y as the superset of X? No. Why? Because Y elements are available in the X, but X is having the some other elements. That means Y becomes the subset, but not the superset. A superset means which consists of all the elements of the other sets. So Y is superset of X? No. The result is false. Now, X is superset of Y. The X is having the elements which are in the Y and also it consists of the some other elements. So, it will result in the true. Yes, X is superset of Y. So, E superset returns true if the respective set is superset of another set. It gives false if the set is not a superset. Union. You know the meaning of union. Union means combining all the elements by removing the duplicates. So, from childhood onwards we heard that X union Y. It is going to combine elements of X with Y and gives the unique values. The duplicate values will be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will take 8 here. 5, 6 and then 8. So the repetition is not going to be allowed in the union. So this is, we are looking from our childhood onwards. For this purpose we have a method in our Python that is called as the union method. Syntax is you set dot union of another set. Set dot union of another set. What does it is going to return? Simply performing the combination of set 1 with the set 2 and removing the duplicate values. Now, so let us consider that this is set A, this is set B. If you perform the union, we are going to get all the elements of the set A and B. 9, 4, 8, 2, 2, 4. 2, 2 common. If you perform A union B, we are going to get the answer as the some combination 2, 4, 8, 9 or 9, 8, 4, 2, what it might be. Now, B dot union A, same result. A or C, yeah, I forgot to mention one thing. We can also use this operator for performing the union in sets. What is this one operator? Pipe operator. We can use the pipe operator, that is this one on the keyboard or this one on the keyboard, which is above the shift key. Shift key above. That is above shift key. So we can use this symbol for performing the union operation. So I will perform that. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Now what is the answer we are going to get? X dot union of y. Print of x. Run. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Along with that, we are going to get this 7, 8 also. So this is union. Union means combining all the elements of two sets and removing the duplicate values. That is called as the union. Next, intersection. Intersection is useful for finding out the common elements between the two sets. So this is some set X, this is some set Y. The common elements are going to be the kept in this place. This is called as the intersection point. So where all the elements of some elements of the set X and some elements of the set Y are having the common things. So if we consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 8, the intersection is going to give the result as the 4, 5 and then 6, because the common element between X and Y, that is intersection. So intersection means common in both the sets. It can also be performed using the AND operator, but we can use the intersection method. What it is going to do? It is going to check whether the intersection among two sets. If any elements are there, those respective elements are going to be written. Now I am going to take this one, X dot intersection of Y. Run. 1, 2, 3 are the common elements between both X and Y. That is going to be written by the intersection. Next, intersection update. What is this intersection update mean? So here the intersection update means performs the intersection operation, and whatever the result we are getting by the intersection, that result is going to update it onto the some respective set. So how we are going to do? X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. When we perform the intersection, or if you try to print the if you try to do this one, and if you try to print, what we are going to get? We are going to, here the operation is going to perform, but it is not going to be stored on the X. So that's why it is going to give the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the same if I write as the intersection update, then it is going to perform the intersection of X and Y, and the result of intersection is going to update it onto the X set. Now look at here, 1, 2, 3. Intersection update means it is going to perform the intersection among two sets, and the result is going to be updated onto the main set. So it is going to perform the intersection, and then update is going to update it onto the main set. So it doesn't return nothing. Simply what you have to do, we have to print them values. That is the concept of intersection update. We have seen the example. Now difference. What do you mean by difference? Difference means simply in our childhood we have learned about the A minus B, that is subtraction of two sets. What they are going to return? A minus B. When you perform the A minus B, the elements in B are going to be removed from A, and the unique elements in the A are going to be retrieved. So that can be done by using the difference method, or we can use the minus symbol. Let us check it out. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. So x dot difference of y. I am going to print this one directly. What are the common things in the x and y? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The remaining elements of the x are the 4, 5, 6. The 4, 5, 6. So from x, y elements will be removed, and the remaining elements left in the x are going to be retrieved. So this is set, this is a set x, y. Now when you perform the x minus y, then we are going to get that only this part of x, that is the unique elements in the x after removing from the y elements, that is only the unique elements of x. Unique elements of x are going to be retrieved. That is the concept of difference. So this is done with the help of the minus operator also, or we can use the difference operator. So we have seen the example. Next, difference update. It is as same as the intersection update. What the intersection update do? It first performs the intersection operation, and then it is going to give the, update that result to the some say main set which you have taken. The same way here it performs the minus, that is difference of the two sets, and the result is going to be updated onto the some main set. So this is x minus y. Yeah. This is x difference of y. If I try to print x, x values are not going to be changed. They are going to be same. But what will happen if I do that x dot difference update of y, that is x minus y will be performed, and the value is going to be x equal to x minus y. This is the operation it is going to do. Look at here. So it finds out the difference, and the result is going to be stored into the main set which you have taken. That is the concept of difference update. So difference have to compute the difference and updates the respective set with the resulting set. So 9482 2, 4. So a minus b means 4 2. 2 4 will be removed. Now the what is the a result? We are going to get as the 8 9 or 9 8. Next one is the b difference a. So b dot difference of update difference update of a. So 2 4 2 4. Now is there any difference? Let us try. Yeah. Y dot difference of x and print x. Sorry, this difference update. None. So there are no common thing in the unique elements in the y. Next, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means the intersection part we have taken. So what are the common elements of both the x and y are going to be eliminated, and the unique elements in both the sets are going to be retrieved. That can be done by using the cap operator, that is this cap operator, and also we can do with the help of the symmetric difference method also. So x and y I have taken. So what does the common things in the x and y? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Unique elements in x 4 5 6 7 8. Now if you perform that, x dot symmetric difference of y, what it is going to do? It is going to perform symmetric difference between x and y, that is 1 2 3 1 2 3 elements will be removed, and the unique elements of x and y are going to be retrieved. Look at here, 4 5 6 from the set x, 7 8 from the set y have been retrieved. This is the symmetric difference. So if you perform y dot symmetric difference of x, the same answer we are going to get, because the unique elements of x and y are going to be retrieved. Now another one is symmetric difference update. The update is nothing but performing the symmetric difference operation, and the respective result is going to be stored onto the main set. Now I will go to take this one. So yeah, sorry. Now when I perform the normal symmetric difference of y dot symmetric difference of x, then it is going to give the result as the 4 5 6 7 8, and if I try to print y, what is there in the y? 1 2 3 7 8. Now if the same concept, if I try to perform the symmetric difference update, and if I try to run the, or if I try to execute the y value, it is going to get the 45678. Why? Because first the symmetric difference between y and x have been done, and the result is updated onto the y. That's why y got changed from 12378 to the new result what we have gone from the symmetric difference. That is the concept of symmetric difference. So symmetric difference means performing symmetric difference update means performing the symmetric difference between two sets and updating the set calling which the symmetric difference have to be done. So the update is going to update it onto the calling set. So the intersection part will be removed off and the remaining unique elements will be updated. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe and share our channel to your friends. Thank you everyone.